Doing a diagnostic on this Samsung refrigerator. Model number is right there. The issue with it is customer says it's not cooling and water is building up both in the freezer section and the fresh food section. So the cause of that over here in the freezer section, you can see the ice on the floor, and you could also see where the water is trickling down. So that tells me that the defrosting system in the freezer is clogged. That's what's causing that. And over here in the fresh food section, you could also see the evaporator coil there as well. And when you look at that, that freezer evaporator drain system is clogged as well. And also, I noticed that the freezer door gasket, the fresh food section door gasket is defective and needs to be replaced. You notice how it kind of looked like mold built up there on the mullion. Is that mold? No, a little discoloration of the paint. Like it could be at one point where the unit wasn't working properly and excess mold and water was building up there, caused that to act like that. And for the freezer door gasket, fresh food section door gasket, you could see where it's defective on the top here, where it's not fully making proper contact with the gasket for the fresh food section. So, fresh food section gasket needs to be replaced on this unit, and the evaporator coil in the fresh food section and the freezer section needs to be disassembled, cleaned, and the service tray get installed.